In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see all your activity on LinkedIn. First, let us start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to LinkedIn's website by typing LinkedIn.com into the search bar. This will take you to LinkedIn's main page where you will need to log in to your account. At the sign-in screen, you have a few options for logging in. You can sign in using your Google or Apple accounts, or you can enter your email address and password if you prefer. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for your account, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your login by sending a code to your phone. So make sure you have your phone nearby to avoid any delays. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your LinkedIn profile page. Now, in the top right corner of this page, you should see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your account and settings. From this menu, look for the section labeled Manage. Under this section, you will find Posts and Activity. Click on that. Once you have done this, a new page will open displaying all of your LinkedIn activities. Here, you will be able to scroll through and view content that you have posted, shared, commented on, or reacted to. This page serves as a comprehensive overview of your engagement on the platform, making it easier for you to track your interactions and adjust your networking strategies accordingly. Now, let us talk about privacy. LinkedIn is aware of the importance of privacy for its users. If you wish to keep specific posts or interactions private, you can choose to hide them from being publicly visible. Simply look for the settings option on each activity post and select the Hide from Profile feature. This is a useful tool for managing your digital footprint and ensuring that your online presence aligns with your professional objectives. And there you have it. That is how you can easily access and manage all of your activities on LinkedIn. Keeping track of your interactions can be invaluable for networking purposes and ensuring that you are presenting yourself the way you intend to on this professional platform. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more useful tips like this.